Hi there! Stories are a very important part of our lives. Everybody tells stories at some point or another. Suraj is narrating a story to his friends about how he caught a thief red-handed. Where should he begin telling his story? Of course, at the beginning. The beginning is how the story kickstarts. The beginning shows who is in the story or the characters. It reveals when and where the story is happening or the setting. It also reveals what problem the characters encounter as the story progresses. Now let's find out how Suraj tells his story to his friends. It was a typical Monday morning. I packed my bag and placed my pocket money safely into my bag. As I left the house, I had a feeling that something bad was about to happen. Here, we know the I in the story is our main character Suraj. The setting is his house in the morning on a Monday. Now, the moment he felt something bad was about to happen gives us an idea of a problem. What's going to happen next though? Let's find out in the middle. The middle part of the story is where all the action takes place. Here, we see the problem in detail and how the characters react to it. What will happen now? Let's find out as Suraj tells the rest of the story. As I walked on the street, I sensed someone walking behind me. I scanned the area and saw a family walking behind me at a distance. I took off my bag for a second as it felt heavy. That's when I heard quick footsteps approaching. My bag was snatched from me in a matter of seconds. I started yelling and running behind the man who grabbed my bag. What is the problem, you ask? Well, a man stole Suraj's bag. But what did Suraj do next? He followed him, of course. Now what? Now comes the best part, the end. And the best part is always left for the last, isn't it? In the end, the problem is solved and the story comes to a conclusion. Luckily, the family that was walking ahead heard my yells and stopped the man. I caught up to them in seconds and snatched my bag from his grip. Later, we reported the man to the police. The problem is solved with the family catching the man. Suraj got his bag back. The story reaches a conclusion when all of them report the thief. Wow! Suraj's friends are all in shock at hearing the story. He sure had quite a ride. Now storytellers, it's time for you to tell your stories. Remember, start at the beginning. See you next time.